Samsung is all set to host the Unpacked Event on February 1, where it will unveil 3 premium phones from the Galaxy S23 lineup. The Galaxy S23 series will be launched in various markets, including India, where it has also started taking pre-reservation. Almost all details about the entire Galaxy S23 lineup have been revealed ahead of its official debut. Now, tipster Snoopy Tech has shared some more marketing promo images that reveal the design and some other details of the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. The leaked promo images show the Galaxy S23 Ultra in a new Botanic Green color, whereas the Galaxy S23 Plus can be seen in the Misty Lilac color. The vanilla Galaxy S23 is being showcased in its cotton flower color option. Notably, the phone will also be available in the standard Phantom Black color. The Galaxy S23 promo images mainly highlight the design of the Galaxy S23 lineup, which we have seen multiple times in various reports. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has a boxier design with a curved display, while the other 2 models, the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus, sport a flat frame and 3 circular camera modules, giving them a minimal look. Meanwhile, TM Rowe, the company's head of mobile, wrote a blog post discussing the new devices. Rowe said the Galaxy S series is the best example of Samsung realizing its vision of using mobile devices technology enriches people's lives. He mentioned how professional-grade camera systems are getting smarter and able to deliver high-quality photos and videos in any lighting condition. The new Galaxy S23 series will also feature an overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset for the fastest and most powerful Galaxy performance possible, as well as improved synchronization with other Samsung products. This means users will be able to connect their Galaxy S23 to other Samsung devices, such as the Galaxy Watch and Galaxy Buds, are more seamless than ever. Rowe also mentioned the Galaxy S Ultra as the pinnacle of innovation from Samsung, and the company is committed to promoting environmental awareness. Samsung is making more durable, longer-lasting devices and using more recycled materials to help the environment. Galaxy S Ultra has truly the pinnacle of Samsung mobile innovation, a brand that stands out, and soon we'll be showing you what Ultra can do in more device categories, as Rowe writes. Only 2 weeks until the next Unpacked event. Rowe said that at the Unpacked event, Samsung will showcase the ultimate premium experience and will soon deliver our most powerful mobile experience that you will love for years to come. I can't wait to share what's next to you. But it seems those will come at a cost. New pricing details we've heard suggest that Samsung is preparing for a significant price hike on the Galaxy S23. Over the past few years, Samsung's pricing structure for flagship phones has changed a few times. 2019's Galaxy S10 series started at $899, while the Galaxy S20 series stepped it up again to $999. However, the exceedingly poor sales performance of the Galaxy S20 lineup combined with the much stronger performance of the Galaxy S20 FE led Samsung to drop the price of the Galaxy S21 considerably. For the Galaxy S23, it sounds like Samsung may be reverting those price drops to some extent. We can gather that Samsung will likely be raising Galaxy S23 launch pricing by at least $100. Of course, the one thing to keep in mind here is that, in most cases, Samsung is also doubling the base storage of these smartphones to 256 gigs. On the Galaxy S22 series, a memory upgrade costs $100 extra in the US. If Samsung is to raise pricing on the Galaxy S23 series, it couldn't come at a worse time. The Galaxy S23 series, at least based on the leaks we've seen thus far, appear to be marginal upgrades at best. A new chip, new camera for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and satellite connectivity is just about it, and it's hard to argue that any of those are worth $100 more. For another point, this situation mirrors what happened in 2020 to some extent. Much of the world is currently concerned about the state of the economy, with many customers opting to hold back on unnecessarily expensive purchases. With the Galaxy S23 possibly costing more than its predecessor with very few additions to show for it, it's a tough pitch, especially seeing as Samsung keeps boosting software update policies, making buying last year's phone all the more attractive. Even with a boost in storage, a higher cost of entry may hurt Samsung's latest and greatest. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive. See you for the next time. Peace out.